We all know that the Air Jordan 1 is one of the most universally recognized shoes of all time. Collabs with Christian Dior, Off-White, Aleli May. Versatility of the Air Jordan 1 and the love for the Air Jordan 1 goes all across the universe. 2020 brings back a classic non-OG colorway from 2001 to commemorate what was supposed to be the 2020 Olympics in Japan, but unfortunately, COVID got that all the way out of here until 2021. However, we still celebrate the release of the Air Jordan 1 Co.JP Metallic. The original pack released back in 2001, as I just mentioned, and it came in 4 colorways. That's metallic silver, midnight navy, black, and white. The metallic silver was the most special at that time because it was the most limited, and it also came in the silver briefcase. We fast forward to 2020, the 2020 pairs that will be released in Japan, they will be individually numbered, and they will each feature the metallic silver briefcase, as the global release will feature this metallic silver box that I hold right here in my hand. So the packaging is really cool in that it reads 2001 and 2020 to commemorate both years of release, and also has a silver Jumpman. But let's get to these shoes, and here we have the Air Jordan 1 Co.JP Metallic. For all my Air Jordan 1 lovers, this is an immediate hit. I'm a huge fan of the Air Jordan 1 high. I know there's some low lovers, I know there's some mid lovers, but we're talking about highs today. And completely tonal upper throughout this entire shoe. The metallics and the gray suede that you'll see with the metallic detailing in that toe box area, suede overlay. We got the gray tonal laces. We've got the leather tongue with the Nike Air stitch. Got the metallic swoosh on that outer panel, and also the classic Wings logo. Back tab, nothing there. Inner panel, same as the outer panel. We've got the full white midsole, of course, looks so good with this gray. And then we have the gray outsole. We're gonna get to the back of the tongue, which has the 2001 and 2020, just like the packaging that I showed you guys earlier. And the insole reads the Jumpman logo with the Co.JP. And another cool detail, or one of the coolest details about this shoe, I'm pretty sure you guys will be excited about, is that they also come in youth sizes. So we've got the men's sizing, we've got the youth sizing, we've got sizes for everybody here at Stadium. But jump in the comments and let me know what you think of the Air Jordan 1 Co.JP, where it ranks amongst your 2020 Air Jordan 1 releases, and do you want to see the other colorways of the pack release, the midnight navy, the black, the white? I think I want to get my hands on a pair of that midnight navy, but I am standing tall and standing strong and loving this classic re-release of the Air Jordan 1 Metallic Co.JP. And as you guys know, we're back up and running on 47 Howard Street in Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. I am getting closer and closer to being back in the store, so I will see you guys soon. Stay tuned for upcoming announcements on our Chicago grand opening. Yes, Stadium is opening in Chicago, but until then, make sure you visit stadiumgoods.com. Make sure you follow @StadiumGoods on all social media platforms. Please like, share, and follow everything that we have going on YouTube. And last but not least, if you haven't done this already, make space in your phone and download the Stadium Goods app, available on iOS and on Android, because we update the app daily with kicks, apparel, and accessories, all from Stadium Goods. And make sure you guys check out the new Stadium Goods apparel collections. I got one of the pieces on right now. I am Fresco BK, and salute.